Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ever wished you had a design partner who just gets you right away? Meet Lovart, the first AI design agent. It plans, designs, and delivers full visual assets, posters, storyboards, branding kits, even UI flows. It just launched and already reached over 100,000 users from over 70 countries worldwide. They all joined the waitlist, and the Discord is fully packed of killer case studies. Imagine one tool that fuses premium image generation, instant editing, and an infinite canvas. You tell Lovart what you need. For example, make me a 3D truffle burger ad with dripping sauce, and boom, it's done. No content switching. One prompt, multiple deliverables, posters, thumbnails, landing pages, you name it. The sky is the limit. Whether you're a pro designer or just starting out, Lovart gives you access to top generation models such as GPT Image 1, Flux Pro, OpenAI 3, Gemini Imaging 3.0, Kling AI, Hilo, Triple AI for 3D generations, Recraft version 3.0, Runway Gen 4, Ideogram 3.0, Rodin, and many more, all in one canvas. Use Talk, Tap, and Tune to edit any elements in plain English, tweak fonts, colors, layouts without jumping tabs. It's like having an AI creative director on the call. All right, very cool. Are you ready? Let's dive into live showcase and I'll show you how it works. All right, guys, let's start our live showcase of Lovart. This is Lovart members area. This is how their platform works and looks. Very stylish and very professional. If you're ready to start, click start the new project and you create the new project right here. Now, to the right side, put your prompt just like you do in ChatGPT. Make posters for my luxury boutique store, Carmen's Fashion Boutique, in a very glamorous luxury style. And just like that, it gets to work. In a couple of minutes, the whole project will be made in front of your eyes. Very stylish and very professional. Take a look. It's analyzing your prompt, it's preparing the poster database, and then it's using image generation to create very glamorous, very professional, stylish, fashionable posters for you. Ooh, and the best part, you can ask Lovart to fix and apply any revisions you want. For example, I love what he did, but I need more posters, and I say, I love it, make more variations, 3 more choices with different photos and text. And just like that, Lovart got to work, back to work, and generated a few more variations for me. And look at that, how professional they look. That is amazing. And the task is complete, the posters are ready to go. And now you can export them and start your advertising using those posters. But guys, Lovart is so much more than just posters. It can make fully viral videos ready to go on TikTok. For example, in this case study, I try to create a viral scary horror story for TikTok, a strong hook, scary videos, and voiceover, 1 minute length with all animations, scary story voiceover, captions, and scary music ready to go into one video. And look how it got to work. It's analyzing our requirements, then it's doing content planning, preparing all the content, then it's preparing the style it's going to use it. Finally, he comes up with a character. Look at this, the whole thinking process is in front of your eyes and you can apply edits and revisions if you want to. Now he's using Flux image generation to come up with realistic images. Next, he's going to use Kling to generate realistic videos. First, he's making the videos separately and then he's gonna combine them together using also the sound effects and background music to put everything together with voiceover and captions. And in the end, the whole thing is clipped together, edited together into one beautifully arranged horror story ready to be posted and go viral on TikTok. How cool is that, guys?
Have you heard about the Watcher? Legend says he was a caretaker who vanished mysteriously in this building, leaving only his diary with cryptic warnings. What happened? I can't see anything. Did you see that?
All right. And our final case study will show you something even cooler. Lovart will create a full visual brand identity for futuristic wellness brand called Nova Glow. So it's AI-driven spa treatments, AI generation relaxation tool for women. It's very stylish, so I need to make it in very luxury and fashionable professional style. And Lovart is a perfect choice for that. First, it's going to use inspiration from the top brands and ideas. Then it will come up with several logo variations, and it's asking me to pick the variation that I like. I didn't like any of them, so I asked to make them more luxury. And see, Lovart is listening to my revisions and came up with much better professional logos, which I selected option 4th. Now, with option 4, it's going to make a mood board. And then based on colors palette from the mood board, it's gonna generate beautiful posters for me. And look at that, how professional they look. It's really top-class advertising that normally you would spend thousands and thousands on this level of quality of advertising. And everything was ready in just a couple of minutes. The whole mood boards, the posters, the images, the product style. And finally, I even asked it to prepare a video with Serenity background music. And it came up with beautiful music and fully generated animation for me, ready to be posted. Amazing work, Lovart. I just loved it and hope so you did. Overall, Lovart is a top choice for anyone who wants to create full visual assets without bouncing between a dozen tools. If you're ready to level up your creative game, go try Lovart now and see the magic for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe for more killer AI tools we test every week. And hey, we've got 10 exclusive invite codes for our followers. Drop a comment below if you want one and we'll hook you up.